It appears that Santa is totally getting ready for his big night.
Looks more like he had one too many margaritas.
Bob and I wanted to wish you and your family a very special holiday season.
And a Happy New Year, too.
I wonder if Santa has anything to say.
Ho, ho, ho!
Happy holidays!
I want to put this thing.
So that's going to be...
Say it again, yeah.
Looks more like he had one too many.
Oh,
Bob and I wanted to wish... I should look at you.
yeah, what do I say?
Happy New Year too.
I wonder if there's any margaritas left over.
I don't know. Santa might have stolen them.